I'm standing here today with one of our wheel loader experts here in Eskilstuna. Welcome, and please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Annika. My name is Antane. I'm a product manager at Volvo Construction Equipment. Today I'm here to tell you about some of the major updates the iconic L350H Volvo wheel loader is getting. We have a completely new set of axles on this machine, new converter which gives up to 22% improved tractive force.
Wow!
The new lift and tilt cylinders give faster cycle time for the hydraulic system, and the serviceability for the engine is extended to 1,000 hours. So these are some of the updates.
That's fantastic news. And with all of these upgrades, Antane, what would you say is the driver for uptime and productivity?
Yeah, some of the improved components in the transmission, in the axles, but also other like center hinge bearings, who should give a longer service life and durability. So that promotes uptime. And the new torque converter, the faster hydraulic systems, improved shift strategy in the transmission, all this gives improved productivity and fuel efficiency.
That's perfect. Thank you very much for this great information. There you have it.